Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art@Madhumandan. In the part 1 of this Ganesha acrylic painting, we have covered how to transfer the drawing from trace paper to the canvas board and started doing texture. Now we will see the remaining part of the drawing where I have applied texture. Now you can see I am doing the hibiscus flower. By using cone, I have given the border on the petals of the hibiscus, and by brush I am spreading it inside. Later you can see this complete flower. Friends, I have recorded the short clips to give you full idea. Now we started with the necklace. So here a little more amount of round texture I have given and doing this design with the Lippen art tool. You can see it. Now you can see all the texture applied on the Ganesha. The ear, the mukut, this ghungru like texture I have given on the ear. Now you can see the hibiscus flower, the central decorative portion, and this one is the necklace. So now we have completed with the texture. After the texture dried, I have started doing the color. As I want this painting in black and gold, I have given the whole background with black color only. Now in this, some area I want to do with complete gold, so I have not done black on this white area because I want to do it with gold. To avoid the too many layers of gold, I have remained it in white. You can see in necklace also where I want complete gold, I have not done the black there. And surrounding area I am doing it complete black, and on this black texture I will apply golden also there. Two layers of black I have applied. I like the smooth satin finish of the black, so I have used the professional Liquitex matte medium in the black acrylic color. Now doing the eyebrows and eyes, 2-3 shades of grey color I have used in the eye. Friends, please watch till the end and please watch all the 3 parts of this Ganesha acrylic painting. I hope you will love it. I will give here a little lighter shade of grey below the eyes. Here in the nose area also I will give here the lighter shade of grey like this. Now just to differentiate, a very thin layer of gold color I have applied on the border of the face. The part 3 will come soon, so please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.